Welcome to Kev's Artwork and Portraits 5 things you need for charcoal drawing. In this video we're going to be covering a few of the things that are essential if you want to get that realistic look on your drawings. Some of them you might already own, some of them you might be thinking about getting, but you definitely need everything on this list. The first thing on the list that you're going to need are some good quality pencils. Whether they're Derwent, whether they're another make, it's not really essential to buy the most expensive, just ensure they're good quality. I use Derwent, I find them quite good, they blend well. They also create some really dark values that you definitely need. As you can see from this small time lapse, I do use a variety of different things on my drawings, but mainly the dark charcoal pencils really make the drawing pop. And another thing I like about these pencils is they come in a few different shades, a dark, a medium and a light. They also come in a tinted white, which is ideal for lightening areas that are too dark. So yeah, I definitely advise buying these pencils. There are other pencils on the market, some of them aren't as good, some of them got too much fixative, some of them haven't been made as well, but Derwent, middle of the range, they are perfect. The next thing on our list is blending stumps. I definitely advise buying some of these. Whenever I go into an art shop, I always pick up 2 or 3 in a few different widths, a few different varieties, because you never know when they're going to come in handy. I do use these a lot in my drawings, as you can see from the video. They are very, very good at blending in darks straight into mediums. You can take off charcoal, excess charcoal, they work wonders. Quite a lot of people use brushes. I prefer to use the stumps because I go for a more dramatic look, but that's just how I draw. But yeah, I definitely recommend getting these stumps. And that brings me to mechanical pencils. Mechanical pencils I use aren't expensive. I buy them in a pack of 10 from the local supermarket. They come in a few different colours, which basically means that the grade of the pencil differs from a HB to a 2B. I go through them a lot, so I don't really need to spend that much money on them. But yeah, definitely get some mechanical pencils. They do ease the drawing process, especially with finer details. Another thing on the list, if you haven't already got one, but you need to get one, is an electric eraser. They work wonders when you're drawing, because they spin. They take off the graphite or the charcoal in this case a lot easier than a standard eraser. Some people use putty rubbers, some people use things like Tombow monos, but because these ones spin, it just eases the process. There's not a lot of effort into it, it's fluid, it takes off the graphite so simply, it's perfect for highlights. If you haven't got one of these, you need to get one. And the last thing on our list is white gel pens. Gel pens are your friend. Just because you're drawing in charcoal, and people might criticize you saying, "Oh, you're using pens. It's not a true charcoal drawing." It doesn't matter. If it adds to the picture, then use it. I use gel pens a lot in my work to bring out highlights. If I've accidentally smudged in places where I need white, the pens do help to bring back that whiteness to the paper. If people say you shouldn't be using pens, don't listen to them. Use them anyway. You definitely need to get some white gel pens. So that is my 5 quick tips for improving your charcoal drawings. If you have any other ideas that you think I've missed out, put your comments down below and let me know, because I'm willing to learn as well. I'm still learning in charcoal myself, but these are just a few of the things that I've picked up. Anyway, subscribe to my channel if you like my ideas, like and share, and in the comment section below I will put a link to the drawing that is featured in this tutorial. And thank you for watching.